Look at him.
It's a real life cat. Look at that.
They got scared. Where are you going there, buddy? Come on now.
Look, dude, with the other cat.
All right, Micromod Dude here again, and we're about to go up and launch in my local neighborhood here. I haven't done this in a while, so let's go upstairs. Let's take it for a spin and see what happens here.
Take off.
Let's go.
The home point has been
Let's go.
Please check it on the map.
Let's go. So where's that one popular place? Right there, the source. Look at that. That's where my daughter loves to go, right there. Why don't we say we take a cruise over there? What do you say? Let's put it on sport mode so we get there a little bit faster. We're sport mode. Well, it's already on sport mode, I think. Why is it going so slow? I don't know. Let me just try it again. Sport mode off. Sport mode on. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Okay. All right, let's go check it out. Let's go a little higher. Ooh, check that out. You see it? Look at that. Is that one here behind me? There it is. Should we go a little higher? Check that out. What's that say right there? 40%? Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Where's that?
Well, actually the source is over there.
Yeah, that's
But
the source.
I don't want to lose signal here.
That's like the hotels, you know.
The hotels?
Yeah, I think so.
Where's my signal strength? Oh, look, you can see it right here. Ooh, I'm almost out of signal, dude. Ooh, that's really low. Let's back up over this way. Let's get more signal. See it? Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Can I go a little more?
You're gonna lose signal.
No, I still got good signal. Look at that. So that's the top of the source. There's nothing. Is there like buildings there, like people eating stuff?
Yeah.
On the top?
No, not at the top. There's just parking.
At the top of it?
Yeah, there's rooftop parking.
Let's turn it around a little bit. Let's go over here. Let's check it out. So there's Beach Boulevard right there.
You're giving too much location.
Who cares? I'm just gonna put a park aerial. And then
Dude, stop giving so much
look
location.
at all that. And look, there's not Scary Farm right there.
Berry Farm.
Let's see, where are we at? Oh, look how far we are, dude. Dude, my house is way over there. I can't even see my house from here.
Dude, you're giving too much of where we
Wow, look at that. That's your old elementary school right there.
Dude, stop giving so much location away.
Oh my god. Well, let's go this way now. Let's go over here. What do you say?
Everybody gonna find out where we live and stuff.
Oh, look at it. You see it? Where's it at, dude? I don't even know where it's
I
at.
don't see anything.
I don't know where it's at either. Oh, I'm almost losing signal. Crap. I better turn back this way.
That's your fault for going so far out.
Oh, look at that. Look at the freeway. Look at that.
How do you know if you're losing signal?
Up on the top right here, it says 5.8 gigahertz. So let's go this way. Let's see what happens. Let's take it for a spin. Full blast. What do you say?
We're right there.
It's coming. Okay.
I don't even see
I don't see it either, dude. You see it?
No, I hear it.
You hear it? Where's that? You see it?
It's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see it now. So let's take it this way for a spin. We're over the wires, right? So let's go over this way. It's been a while. Let's take it and punch it. So let me.
Whoa.
Is it pretty fast?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's been a long while since we've flown this thing over here. So let's take it over this way for a little cruise. Oh, whoa. What's happening here? Where's my signal
I
strength?
usually don't talk in them.
Okay, so let's go this way.
You know.
Take it for a cruise. Well, I'm getting good signal here. I go far over here on this side. Look at this.
How do you know?
Signal strength over there tells me. Take it in for a little spin.
Why does it keep wobbling?
Because I'm spinning it. Let's take it back. Where am I? I'm lost. You know where I'm at? Okay, we're gonna go back over here. And where's the school at? Okay. So let's go back this way. I don't even know. How long have I been flying? Do you know? I'm not recording? Did I forgot to record it?
We are recording.
Oh, just the screen, but not the video.
What do you mean?
I forgot to do that right there. Crap.
Wow.
I did all that and I forgot to record the video.
Well, your screen recording good enough, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so, right, Charlie? Let's go back over here to the
You
source.
did
then.
all that and you actually didn't record.
I forgot. Where's the source at? Right there. All right, let's
Stop
go back
giving
to the
so
source.
much location.
All right, so check
People
it
gonna
out.
find out where we live.
That's the Orange County source right there.
Stop.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna hit the building, dude.
Whoa, how are you
Whoa.
so close?
You're almost touching it, huh?
Dude, you're so close.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
You have signal?
Yeah, still got pretty good signal here. So I'm just gonna bring it back in because I only got 50% battery left. All right, so where am I at? How do I get back home?
You know how to
Lost.
get around.
Okay, this way. That point's right there. So let's give it full blast. Here goes. Full blast.
See, this way's not even that far.
Full blast, full blast, full blast. So now let's go this way.
I hear it. Where is it?
You hear it?
I don't see it.
Where's my house at? Oh, there it is.
There.
Okay.
Go straight.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let it stabilize.
Go
So
straight.
let's turn this way here. So there's my house
I
right
don't
there.
see it.
You don't see it? That's us right there, look.
What? Oh, I see it. Hello.
Where is it at?
It's up top for you.
Where? Oh, it's way up there. Let's bring it down. Let's see. Where is it at?
It's gonna hit you in the head.
Oh, is it? Uh-oh, it's crooked. Let's turn,
Too close.
let's turn it this way a little bit. Are you scared?
Dude, like, follow
This way, buddy. All right, so let's take it out of sport mode real quick. Whoa, let's see here. Oh, there it goes. Take it out of sport mode. All right, come over here, buddy. Oh, where are you going here? Yeah. Oh, wrong way here. Where's the cat? Come here, little kitty kitty. Wanna play with daddy?
Don't cut it.
Little kitty kitty.
No,
Look at
you
little
better
kitty
not cut
kitty.
it.
Look at little kitty kitty.
Oh, it's so cute.
Look at. He's not even scared, huh?
I know. It's like, hello.
Hello, you wanna take a picture?
Yeah, take a picture of it.
Wanna take a picture, buddy?
Screenshot.
Picture, let's see. Where's picture? Picture. Okay, picture.
Yep, picture.
Okay, he's just chilling, huh? Let's go in for a little close shot. Oh, right there.
Careful, don't cut it.
Oh, look at this, just chilling, huh?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Look at him. He's not even scared, dude.
I know.
Look at him.
He just chilling like, hello.
Oh, we'll go see if I can get to him.
Careful, look where you actually at.
Look at
Oh, he's so close.
Look at him.
It's a real life cat. Look
Oh,
at that.
they
He
got
ran.
scared. Where are you going there, buddy? Come on now.
Look, dude, with the other cat. They both ran. You got so close to him, though.
You did, huh?
You gonna follow them?
Let's see. Here, buddy. Okay, they're gone. Let's go back this way. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What happened?
I don't know, once I hit something. Oh, shit, not this cup again. That's why I crashed like this, because it got too close.
Okay, you better land it. Whoa.
Why are you scared, dude?
Cause that thing got waves.
Oh, look, there's a helicopter over there.
Can't go up with helicopters.
I can't?
Nah, cause you can hit it.
Okay, buddy. Okay, I can't even get closer to me.
Bring it down.
What's it? Oh, low battery warning. Oh, that's why it's beeping. Whoa. All right, let's bring it down. All right, let's go, buddy. Up for landing. Let's go.
Landing.
Okay, there it is. All right, so there it is. Quick little video there. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, peace out.